If the prayers of dogs were answered, every rabbit would be slow. If the prayers of dogs were answered, there would be no rain or snow. If just for one sweet afternoon our wishes could come true, what a different place this world would be for me and you. If the prayers of dogs were answered, collars would be contraband, leash laws would be outlawed, and a dog would rule the land. We'd be free to roam around inside the Brookwood Mall. We'd have no obligations to come running when you call. If the prayers of dogs were answered, you would hardly believe your eyes. Hallelujah, bones would fall out of the sky. On every single corner would be T-bone and hors d'oeuvres. Masters who have neutered us would get what they deserve. There would be no chain link fences anywhere upon the earth. We would sleep on satin sheets regardless of their worth. Now, Master, please be honest. Let me ask you very plain. If you'd gotten all you've prayed for, would the world at all be changed? Would your close friends be changed by grace, or would they be the same? Does heaven ever hear you ask for love and joy to reign? If the prayers of dogs were answered, you would hardly believe your eyes. Hallelujah, bones would fall out of the sky. Bones would fall down from the sky. Bones would rain down from the